Hey guys. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Are you guys ready for your first day of school?
Yes.
Yeah? Show me where your school is.
Over there.
Ooh. Okay, come on. Let's go to the front door. Daniel, what are you gonna do in your class?
Make a project.
Make a project? Hey Sarah. Yeah? What are you gonna do in your class? Huh? You gonna color? Yeah?
Whoa, Sarah.
Hey guys, the front doors are up here. Hold on. Hold on. Look at me. Okay, say bye.